you? So it's 4 a.m. in the morning and my voice is still croaky. So, whew, guys, I just wish I can sleep and still have the bag. Everyone wishes that, but I have to wake up and work. Like, literally, sometimes I just feel like, why? I mean, everyone else is asleep. It's ungodly hour. I still have to wake up and chase the bag. And anyway, that is the price you pay for wanting to be an independent woman. And it's okay. So we are traveling to Kisii for a meeting. And yeah, let me show you my outfit of the day. So I'm dressed for the day. So jumpsuit and my coat. Yeah. This is my bag. It has my laptop. And these are my medicine, my earrings. Because I can't leave them behind. Yeah. I can hear my taxi guy is already outside. So let's do this. Woo! Good morning, world. I'm quickly going down the stairs because the driver is waiting outside. So hey, how are you? They are comfortable. Hi guys, so this is day 3 out of 4 days I'm supposed to be here in Kisii. The hall is well set and ready for the morning session. Just because I'm a very punctual babe, so I'm literally the first one at the conference hall. Today is day 3 out of the 4 days I'm supposed to be in Kisii for this workshop. How do I look? How do I look? Guys, I told you that I'm always the best. I'm the best out of the rest. Oh, I carried a banana to the conference hall. So, I'm already here early and the early bird. Yeah, so this is the booklet that we are using to that we're being trained with. So the training is up. The handbook is about a training handbook for frontline service provider. Yes, I am and adolescent health and development. As you all know, I am very passionate about adolescent health, especially when it comes to issues with HIV/AIDS adherence and adherence to ARVs. Sorry, so that could have been the prompt for the invite to this particular meeting, and it's amazing so far that we have a lot of implementations to put in place to help the adolescents. We have several topics that we are tackling, and each and every person have their own have been given their own topic to handle. So let me just read for you a few of the topics so that you have sneak peek of what we are doing. I'm not going to give you everything because then I don't have that right. So how do I put my camera? So number one, we have growth, adolescent growth and development. There's that. Then we have personal hygiene. We have healthy relationship and communication. We have abstinence. We have sexual transmitted infections. We have HIV and AIDS. We have urinary tract infection. We have cancer of the reproductive organs. We have mental health. We have drug and substance abuse. We have harmful cultural practices. We have sexual and gender-based violence. We have nutritional and physical activity. We have life skill. We have social media. We have career choices. I'm so amazed at whoever chose these modules, because literally they hit the nail on the head on issues around the adolescents and the young people. So we're just trying to go through each of these topics, find out what are the challenges and what we can come up with to be able to assist the adolescents, and we will disseminate. While we are being trained, we also expect to train people in the community. And like you all know, I'm so big on social media, and that means I'll be teaching my social media following, which I know 90% of them are the young people who are the target population for this particular training. So yes, I'll also do a video of just touching on a few important points that we shall have talked about. Thank you. By now, you all know that I'm a very shy person. So at this point, one of the workshop members came in, and that's how I stopped doing the video, because literally I cannot be talking in front of a camera and someone else is looking at me wondering, now what is she saying? Why is she holding a camera to her face? It's just weird, and this is the reason why I can't even do videos on the streets, because I just don't like people looking at me and wondering why I'm talking to myself. Anyway, later in the day we had showers of blessings. As you all know, right now it's very hot and it's not raining, so it's rained a little bit just for a few minutes, and that was really good to us because it was literally very hot. I didn't really vlog on the 4th day of the workshop, but I got a chance to sneak you some beautiful pictures of the roadside while we were traveling back to Kisumu at the end of the workshop. So enjoy.